So your teacher is giving you a big project and you're not really sure how you're going to get it done. There's a lot of work to be done. We're going to take a look at work breakdown structures and how to outline your work and estimate how long it's going to take you to do it. Now, work breakdown structure is basically dividing everything that it takes to get something done into smaller parts. And it gives you a framework to follow when you're working on each part of your project. In this picture, we see a work breakdown structure chart format, and it looks like a tree or an upside down tree or a hierarchy. On the right side, we see a work breakdown structure outline. That's the piece that we're going to take a look at for our project. So when you're doing project planning, you begin at the end. So what do we mean we begin at the end? Well, you need to think about where you want to be and what you want your outcome to look like before you can take steps backward and figure out how you're going to get it done. So you start with your ending objective, and then you divide it into smaller parts, and we call those milestones. And for each milestone, you're going to figure out the different tasks to reach the milestone. And from there, you estimate how long it will take for you to complete each task to reach each milestone. Once all of your milestones are completed, your project will be done. Here's an example of a work breakdown structure outline. Over on the left side, our numbering is really important. So we start with the number 1, and then we list our first milestone. Underneath the milestone, we have all the tasks that are involved, or the smaller things we need to do to accomplish this milestone. Next up, we're going to take a look at building our work breakdown structure outlines in Google Sheets.